Welcome to Bali, an island paradise unlike any other. Picture this, a patchwork quilt of lush green rice terraces cascading down hillsides, majestic mountains piercing the sky, and picturesque beaches hemmed in by azure waters. Here, nature's palette is vibrant, the terrain ever-changing. Such contrast, such diversity, it's as if Mother Nature herself took extra care in crafting this paradise. Every glance offers a new perspective, every turn a fresh surprise. Bali's breathtaking landscape is just the beginning. Dive into the emerald green paddy fields that form Bali's green heart. These fertile terrains, blanketed in lush, vibrant hues of green, are a testament to the Balinese dedication and hard work. Each intricate pattern carved into the landscape tells a story of countless hours spent nurturing and maintaining these terraced fields. Rice cultivation in Bali is not merely a means to an end, but rather a way of life, steeped in tradition and cultural significance. Each grain of rice harvested is a symbol of the island's prosperity and the resilience of its people. You see, Bali's economy thrives on these fields, with rice being a staple food and a major source of income. The island's rich agricultural heritage is proudly reflected in these terraced landscapes, a testament to a tradition handed down over generations. So as we marvel at the breathtaking views of Bali's green heart, let's not forget the hands that tirelessly work these fields. The paddy fields of Bali are a testament to the island's rich agricultural heritage. Now, embark on a spiritual journey through Bali's ancient temples. In the heart of this tropical paradise lie the whispers of ancient times. Bali's iconic temples, each with their own story to tell. They stand as silent testaments to the island's rich spiritual heritage, their intricate architecture a canvas of history. First, we glide over Pura Besaki, the mother temple of Bali. Nestled on the slopes of Mount Agung, it's a complex of 23 temples that have stood for over 1,000 years. Its grandeur is a testament to the Balinese belief in the cosmic balance between God, man, and nature. Next, we soar above Tanah Lot, a temple perched precariously on a rock amidst the crashing waves of the sea. Its unique location signifies the balance of elements, a cornerstone of Balinese Hindu philosophy. Finally, we hover over Uluwatu Temple, dramatically clinging to a cliff edge overlooking the vast ocean. Its majestic setting speaks volumes of the Balinese reverence for the sea gods. These temples, each unique in their architecture and purpose, are bound by a common thread: spirituality. They're not just places of worship, but also venues for vibrant festivals, where the locals come together to celebrate life, spirituality, and the harmony of existence. Each corner, each stone, each sculpture is laden with centuries of history, brimming with spiritual energy that is almost palpable. Bali's temples are more than just buildings, they are gateways to the spiritual world. From the spiritual to the serene, it's time to explore Bali's beautiful beaches. As we leave behind the mystical temples and verdant landscapes, we are greeted by the stunning coastline of Bali, a symphony of azure waters and pristine sands. This is where the land meets the sea in a harmonious embrace, creating a paradise for both the adventurous and the leisure seekers. Visualize the beaches. They're not just stretches of sand, but a canvas where nature paints its most enchanting scenes. Picture the waves. They're not just water rolling in, but a ballet of the ocean, dancing to the rhythm of the tide. The sun doesn't just set here, it performs an exquisite show of colors, bidding adieu to the day and welcoming the star-studded night. But the coastal charm of Bali is not confined to its natural beauty alone. The bustling beachside towns with their vibrant markets and lively eateries add a touch of human vibrancy to the tranquil backdrop. The aroma of local cuisine wafts through the air, enticing your senses and promising a gastronomical adventure. For the thrill seekers, Bali's beaches offer a variety of water sports. From surfing on the crest of towering waves to diving into the depths of the ocean, there's an activity for every adrenaline junkie. And for those who prefer a quieter communion with nature, there's always the timeless joy of sunbathing, letting the golden rays of the sun gently kiss your skin. Each beach in Bali has its own unique personality. Some are wild and untamed, where the waves roar and the winds whisper tales of the sea. Others are calm and serene, a sanctuary for the soul, where the only sound is the soft lullaby of lapping waves. Bali's beaches are more than just places, they're experiences waiting to be savored, they're stories waiting to be told, they're dreams waiting to be lived. So whether you're a wanderer looking for inspiration, a couple seeking a romantic getaway, or a family wanting to create unforgettable memories, Bali's beaches have something for you. Bali's beaches are where memories are made. we've only scratched the surface of what Bali has to offer. Let's take a moment to reflect on the journey we've embarked on together. We started by soaring high above Bali's breathtaking landscapes, a tapestry of lush greenery, shimmering waters and ancient temples. A view that captures the essence of this paradise, a sight that makes you feel like you're part of something bigger, something beautiful. We then ventured into Bali's green heart, a realm where nature reigns supreme. From the emerald rice terraces that stretch as far as the eye can see, to the thick verdant jungles that pulsate with life, we were embraced by Mother Nature in her most vibrant form. Our journey also took us to the spiritual side of Bali, a place where the divine and the earthly converge. The centuries-old temples, the sacred rituals, and the profound sense of peace that envelops you, reminds us of the rich cultural heritage that is intertwined with the island's identity. And let's not forget the coastal charm of Bali, with its pristine beaches kissed by turquoise waters and graced by majestic sunsets. Whether we were flying over the surfers, riding the waves, or capturing the fishermen reeling in their day's catch, the allure of the sea was undeniable. But Bali is more than just a destination, it's a feeling, an experience, a story waiting to be told. And there's so much more we haven't seen yet. The hidden gems tucked away in the corners of the island, the off-the-beaten-path adventures, the uncharted territories that promise new discoveries. In our upcoming videos, we plan to delve deeper into this island paradise, uncovering more of its secrets and sharing them with you. We're excited about the potential of exploring other equally mesmerizing locations around the globe as well. Subscribe to our channel and join us as we continue to explore this beautiful world. Until next time, keep adventuring.